Hey guys, welcome back. It's James, Master Instructor of the Dean King Training Institute. Today is Friday, September 11th. We're going to check in on some of our guys who are finishing up their first week. Let's see how they're doing. Hey guys, I'm going to put you guys on the spot over here.
Yes, sir.
Where's everybody from? I know we got Daniel down here from Texas.
I'm from the UK.
The UK.
Tennessee.
Tennessee. Where are we from, James?
Denver.
Denver.
Virginia.
Mr. Quinn, where are we from?
I'm from Denver.
Now, you guys are most of you guys are finishing up your first week. I know James and Quinn are finishing up their second week. Daniel's on his third week, right? Mm-hmm. Now, how do you guys feel overall? Like, how's the class going?
It's going great. It's going great.
Good instruction,
Yeah.
which is important. It's a real education lesson.
What's the most difficult thing you'd say you're dealing with here, learning paintless dent repair?
Understanding the feel and touch of how to manipulate the metal and or equipment that we use to alleviate the dents in the cars. That's the biggest challenge. Understanding how much pressure you're supposed to do.
Learning patience.
Learning patience.
Learning patience. That was the biggest one right there, is learning patience.
That seems like that's pretty unanimous across the board, though, right? If you're not patient, I mean, you're not going to be able to do PDR. They go hand in hand, right?
Yeah.
What about for you guys back there? What's the most difficult thing so far you guys have been learning here? Why are you doing this?
Reading the light, that's pretty hard as well.
Really just learning how to, perfect the panel, get it to where it needs to be better than just passing and, just good enough for a dealership. We want to get these cars perfect and have them, ready to go. So
Yeah.
I think that's the thing that's really,
Who here had experience doing any PDR work before they came? Did anybody mess with this before? No. Was it all just totally new to you? You guys, I'm sure you've seen videos and YouTube and Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff, right? And that stuff, so that's awesome. I'm going to be doing that day one.
Yeah.
So you guys come in here day one, end of your first day. How did you feel after seeing that and then realizing, oh, wow, it's going to...
There's no way I can do this on day one.
Good.
absolutely.
So we've got Quinn over here who's 16 years old. He's getting into this, brand new, something totally new for you. How do you feel in this, man? How's it going for you? This is your second week, right?
Yep. I mean, it feels good, but it's very difficult. It's harder than I ever expected. Like, hardest thing I've ever done, hands down.
Well, it's not really saying much. You're 16. There's a whole lot more stuff to do, right? But it is pretty difficult. I promise you that. It'll be probably one of the more difficult things you've done. Let's go check on we'll leave these guys alone and go check on the other guys over in the back, see how they're doing. So back here, I've got a whole other group of guys going on. They're working on a couple different dents on another car we got beat up back here. Guys, say hi to the camera over here. Tell me where you guys are from. Where's everybody from?
Palm Springs,
Palm Springs.
New Jersey, LA, Long Beach.
LA, Jersey, Palm Springs. Now, you guys are on Costa Mesa. Now, you're on your end of your second week. You're finishing up your second week, and you're finishing up your second week also. How do you guys feel? How's paintless dent repair training been going for you guys?
Way better on the first week, man.
Good.
Way better on the first week.
What was difficult in your first week? I mean, just obviously we know paintless dent repair is difficult, but what was the struggles you were having that you're doing better at now?
Fine tuning, man. And also, in my case, this week I see more.
Mm-hmm.
Last week I didn't see much. I guess it takes training,
It does, like with anything, like learning to play an instrument or something, right? I mean, it's not something you're going to get in your first day, and
And all your experience, yeah. Just trying to learn.
But I think I'm understanding it a little better now.
Now, I asked the guys in the front, did you guys anybody have any experience messing with paintless dent repair before on your own before you got here?
No.
I did.
You did? Yeah. What did you do, and how would it compare to what you tried to do on your own versus what we're doing here now?
Doesn't even compare. I mean, to do paintless dent repair, you have to have a solid foundation, step by step. You have to know how to attack a dent, have a kind of a strategy behind it. You don't have this training, then there's no point even trying to tackle a dent.
Yeah. It's hard to figure it out by yourself, right?
I realize that once a year, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Now, your background, you're a painter. We were talking. You've done some other things, but doing this now, you're going to be able to incorporate this into your business, right?
Of course, yeah.
Now, in your area, you're in Palm Springs. You're doing, like I said, you're doing dealerships. You're doing some retail stuff, I think, also. How is this going to help you now in your area? Are there a lot of dent guys in your area doing this right now?
No, not a lot of dent guys in my area. That's the main reason why I wanted to do it. Also to help out my painting business. If you can do paintless dent repair, it's going to help everything else you're doing too. I mean, I don't have to fill body work. I'm gonna save a lot of time. And during the summers, it's tough to paint. 120 degrees. You're not gonna be slinging paint out there.
You want to sit in the pool.
This is something I'm gonna be able to do year round.
Yep. Now, you guys all decided to come to Dinking on your own, right? Nobody sent you guys. No dealerships. You guys all came out individually. Why did you guys choose to come to us?
Reviews.
Reviews.
I went on Facebook. I have a bunch of different groups. I follow PDR, and I typed in, "Hey, where's the best place to go?" And 90% of everyone said Dinking's the place to go.
Close by Englewood also, close by in LA, so yeah.
So we're pretty close location-wise
Yeah.
for you.
Good training class.
And you did some research on the
Yeah,
school.
man, let me tell you, like, at first I wasn't 100% that I made the right choice because
Yeah.
so many people telling you so many different things, right? But I'm gonna be honest with you, man. Now that I'm here for 2 weeks, I'm glad I made this decision, you know?
Good,
And I didn't go nowhere else. I'm glad I came here.
good.
And I'm going home tomorrow, practice whatever, a couple of months, 3 months, and then I'm coming right back, man. Learn some more.
Good, so we can put you to the test and challenge you even some more.
For
Well,
sure.
good. Thank you guys. I'm gonna let you guys get back to your dent work.
Thanks.
So as you can see, we're wrapping up. Like I said, our week here. We've had a good full class schedule for the past couple of weeks. We're just getting busier and busier by the day. We have new classes starting every Monday, and it's not just paintless dent repair. Dinking also offers training in paint correction and ceramic coating. We actually have our new product that just came out on the market, our CK1 ceramic, that is awesome. You guys have to see this stuff in person in order to see how great it is. We also offer our small damage repair system, interior repair systems, training on windshield chip repair, wheel restoration, and the list goes on. Anything cosmetically we can do to a car to make it look better, we teach that. The Dinking offers it. Okay. Now, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Give us a call at 1-800-304-3464. You can look us up on the web at thedinking.com. Head over to Facebook, the Dinking Training Institute, Instagram, official Dinking, or you can leave a comment right here on this YouTube channel. And make sure you share, like all of our videos, and continue to share these videos with your friends and subscribe. And thank you guys that have been following us since the beginning, and we'll be seeing you guys pretty soon.